Well, hello, it's March 16th. I just got back from the American Car Show over in Hull, and I'm at the Drax Sports Club, staying the night again. There's the club, and out here is the power station with all the cooling towers. Again, it's a biomass plant, so no glowing frogs at night. And so the rest of today, I'm going to unbox some stuff. Also picked up this little booklet at a thrift store because why not? It was £5. So 1959, Her Majesty's Stationery Office. And it was published for the Scottish Home Department. Yeah, so it's an interesting book. But I bought four, let's see if that light helps. Bought four new solar panels, eco-worthy, 120 watts each. So I've got one in this box and there's three more back in the bedroom. So I'm just going to unbox them and make sure everything's good with them. And then this is the solar controller, so I'll go ahead and unwrap that in a minute. And all the brackets and stuff, I assume, so I'm going to find out what's in there. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, let's see what's in here. Small Swiss Army knife. I should have brackets, cables, connectors. That's trash. Okay. Good. Four of those. Okay, these are the Z brackets with so it comes with self-tapping screws. Bolts, so pretty much same setup that came with the existing solar panels. So those are good. Cabling. Connectors in this one. More connectors. So 3 bags of connectors and 1 cable. So here's more cable. So here's the main feed cable. Let's see what's in here. Like a remote. It says BTO2 for solar charge controller. Link and power, setup and restarts. Okay. And it does have some little bit of instruction manual there. And this will be the MPPT controller. Should be a 40 watt, it's 40 amp. Yeah, it's got the display on this one, so I don't have a remote display like I do with my GoPower one. But that's okay, because it'll all end up being monitored through the battery monitor. Eventually we'll be putting it up on the roof.